Okay, this video is for everyone who has been keeping up on this Daiwa Exceler Rod um, repair. I think I'm about done here with most of it. I'm still going to do a wrap here right above the foregrip, and then I still have to get a new tip. This is the wrong tip. I just put that tip on there to help line up the guides all the way down the rod when I was setting them up. Then I'll just come right off and put another one on, and then I'll finish doing the wrap like that. It's hard to get this thing to focus because it's spinning and there's stuff in the background that the camera wants to focus on. But anyway, so yeah, I got my second layer of epoxy on here. The Pro, what is it? Pro Cure, Pro Coat. Okay, so anyway, so that's where we're at here, and then I guess in about 24 hours I'll be able to pull this off and be happy with it. And then, well, of course, go back to finishing up here. I don't know if I'm going to do like a starburst, or I'm going to do some kind of weird thing where I use gold and yellow and maybe a purple and a blue and a green. I'm not quite sure on that yet, though. I haven't figured that out yet. I still got to look at the colors and see how it would look. There's ones where they use black, red, and like a neon orange, a light orange, and a yellow. But I'm thinking different colors would look better with this black and gold themed rod here. Alright, that's it. I just want to show you guys what's going. Oh God, I can't speak. What's going on here with the rod and how it's looking currently. It's not looking bad. I mean, the threads aren't perfect, but it's gonna look good, I think. It'll look good enough for a rod that's been repaired and otherwise would have been useless, because the reason I did all this is because this the original reel seat here was, the nut here wouldn't keep the reel tight against the reel seat. So I replaced the original with a Fuji through blank where you could touch the rod there. Before, it didn't have a through blank, and it was probably about a 1/4 inch, somewhere between a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch longer, which is why you could see that marking from the factory where they were marking the spine. I went ahead and marked the yellow one there just in case that covered up the white one, because I wasn't sure if it was going to or not. Anyway, so yeah, that's where it's at, and alright, well, I'll just leave it at that. Let you guys get on with your day like I'm going to do mine. Alright, have a good one.